Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to another Pokemon thing, unpacking stuff. Yeah, whatever you call that, unpacking video. And yeah, we're gonna unpack Melton, Pichu, and Poplio. Yes, as you see on the picture on top of the title, I actually collected lots of Pokeballs and a big cushion. Yeah, and then after the video finished, I will let you see all my drawings of Pokemons, and it's fabulous. I tell you, it's fabulous. Okay, so let's get started. Which one should I choose to unpack first? Let's see. It's Pichu! Okay, so I'm gonna take a Pokeball and then I'll put Pichu inside. This is our first one to unpack. So let's cut the package. Okay. Hey dude, this is actually really cute. A big head and the 2 ears and his tail. Just like the Pikachu I have there. Oopsies. So it can't stand well. So I'm gonna take this humongous Pikachu and put it right here. Oh, no. I think now this will do. If I do it like this, or like this. Yes. Okay. So, Pichu unpacked. I'm gonna go get the Pokeball, and then I'll Pokeball, guys. I'm gonna put this little Pichu out inside the Pokeball. Okay. Say bye-bye, Pichu. One down, 2 left. Should I choose this time? Maybe I'm gonna shoot one down, and I'm gonna close my eyes and shoot whatever I want. Poplio or Melton. Yeah, I'm gonna close my eyes and shoot, pew, pew, pew. And then if I shoot like this, so that means Melton's, I'm gonna attack Melton. So I'm gonna get the gun, I'll be right back. Which one did I get? Let's say 3, 2, 1. Oh, so I'm gonna unpack Melton first, and let's see how good this is. I got my scissors, let's cut it. Okay, now I got the surroundings out, and then Melton out. What does this say? I don't know what this is. So here we are, Melton. Melton is, I don't know why, but this is not metallic. It's supposed to be metallic. You see, remember? Melton's supposed to be metallic on the here and here, but it's not. Well, yeah, but it still looks cool though. And the wire and like a tail. So cool. Yeah, Melton. Second Melton. Put it here. Gonna get the Pokeball. There's. So the Pokeball for Melton here. So I'm gonna catch Melton. I'm not gonna let it return. I'll just catch Melton. Ow! Ooh. I'm okay. You roll. Did I catch it? Oh, I don't think so. Never mind, I'll just pick it up and put it inside my Pokeball. Gotcha. So, yep, we got Melton and Pichu. Cool, eh? And now the last one is Popplio. So, yeah, when I unpack this, make sure to subscribe to my channel and leave a like. Okay? And I recommend you to watch Ian Max. You can search Ian Max. He's quite funny. He's my friend, Ian Zhang. Actually, his name is Ian Zhang, but I don't know why he said Ian Max. So here we are, Popplio. Popplio is so cool. Now I'm gonna catch Popplio. Go, Pokeball! Oh man. Okay, but I caught it because I touched it. Get in the ball, Popplio. Get in the ball. Ooh. No. Okay, here we are. Popplio's in the Pokeball. Safe and sound. And we got all three Pokemon. Melton. Pichu. Oh, Pichu, don't run away. Where are you? Okay, here you are. Pichu. Oh, I just remember you can't stand. There you go. And Popplio. They're quite cute, eh? Especially Popplio. All its details is out, like nose is pink, got whiskers and a mouth, and the fins. The fins, you see, the fins, all detailed. So I like these. Yeah, now that I said, after I unpacked all these three Pokemons, I'm gonna let you see my pictures over there. I think they're quite good. I drew like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21. I drew 21 pictures. And if you like them, leave a like and leave a comment down below. Thank you. So now, this part 1 is finished. Now we're going to part 2. Looking at the picture. I'm going to start with Zagator. How many marks do you give me? Exaggeratory? Give me marks on the comment. Exaggeratory is 1, and then second is Gyarados, and then you 2, and then you type your mark. You want to give me the mark right beside number 2. Okay. Number 3. Where is it? Not that one. Not that one. That's, I don't know what that is. But Tapu Koko. You like it? This is, I forgot. Yeah, 3. Number 3. There it is. Sylveon. Yeah, I know the over here I spelled it wrong. And this is number 4. Number 5, it's Flareon. You like it? But it actually looks better when there's no color. So I made a mistake coloring it. So this is number 5. Number 6, Glaceon. See, Glaceon is quite good. I like the blue. Right, Glaceon? Yep. And here, Leafeon, right here. I actually used too many yellow on its body, so I don't think that's good. And now this one, I forgot what the name is, so sorry guys, but it's, let's see, 7, it's number 7. This one is number 6. And then, yeah, number 7, and then number 8. And it's Mew, my first picture ever drawn. And then number 9, the second picture of Mewtwo. And number 10, Mega Mewtwo Y. Is it Mega Mewtwo? Yeah. Mega Mewtwo Y and Mega Mewtwo X. Okay. This is 10. This is 11. And then now Pichu. 12. 13. 14. 16. 17. 18. 19. 20. And Solgaleo is 21. So let me know if my drawings are beautiful, because they are beautiful. So make sure to like and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching. Peace out.